Hello, friends. I hope you all are doing good in this scenario of lockdown, which has been extended by our Honorable Prime Minister till 3rd of May. I'm sure you are making a productive utilization of all this available time with you on hand. To add to your ideas of making this time productive, I'm making this video for you all people. First and foremost, many people have been asking me questions like, what is there to be grateful for in this time of lockdown? We've been made to suffer, made to struggle. Also, we've been experiencing many inconveniences. So, how do you expect us to be more grateful? Guys, expand your thinking. We are really, really very fortunate that we have a house to live, we have food to eat. जो बेसिक नेसेसिटीज़ की हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं दोस्तों, आज देर आर मैनी पीपल हु आर लेस फॉर्चुनेट. They do not have all these facilities. We are sitting at home, we are making good food, we are eating them, we are posting the pictures on Instagram, on Facebook, on WhatsApp status, and everything. We've been enjoying our lives as such. Yes, there have been inconveniences, but think about those people who are thinking of 2 square meals every day, who are living on footpaths, who are living in rented places, who are stuck in such a place where there is no facility at all, a facility to even go to washrooms and clean up. So, what I suggest you is attitude of gratitude is very, very important. Now, what is attitude of gratitude? Being thankful to God in whatever circumstance, in whatever scenarios you are in currently. You may feel that this is such a huge uh, thing that you are going through. No, there are people who are suffering or who are going through a lot more. We can't even imagine, friends, that there are people who are trying to save their lives, their very own life every single day, from unknown people, from unknown things, unknown scenarios. And what I suggest is, why not be thankful to God that you are not in one of such situation? On one hand, our policemen, our army is handling all those people who are wandering out of their houses for no rhyme or reason. Also, there are people who are attacking the police. Are you in such a position? No. There are people who are being threatened by coronavirus because they are going daily out. They have to step out of the house. They have to deliver their public services to the government and have to return back. Are you one of them? No. So then be thankful. Do you get 2 meals every day minimum? Yes. Be thankful. Be thankful that you are watching me live. Be thankful that you are able to understand. There are people with no education who cannot understand what I'm saying, what I'm talking. If you have a smartphone, be thankful. Guys, this is what I'm talking to you about. Having the attitude of gratitude is being thankful for every single thing that you can be thankful for. Trust me, guys, if you have 2 hands, 2 legs, 2 ears, 2 eyes, one nose, you got to be thankful to God for that. If you are alive, if you are breathing, be thankful to God for that. That is the limit, I am saying. If you are breathing, if you are alive, there are many unfortunate lives who've been wasted today. They have left for heavenly abode. You are safe, your family is safe. Thank God for that. Eventually, I've heard a very known author has said this. If you are continuously grateful for and thankful for the things that you are yet to get in your life, very soon you will be gifted with many more things to be thankful for. Keep thanking God. Whenever we have to curse God, we say so many things. God, you only chose me for this. God, you only chose me for this suffering. You are suffering because you are capable of suffering, not because you are deserving, but because you are capable of suffering, guys. You are capable of handling that suffering. Everyone is suffering in their own ways. But let's help one another grow through this. I hope you understand what I mean by saying attitude of gratitude. Be thankful to God Be thankful to God through these people. God does not exist anywhere. God is inside us, each one of us. So let's be thankful to every single person who is assisting us in living our lives very comfortably. Starting from our homes, our family members, my wife, my daughter, my parents, my grandparents, my in-laws, my neighbors. Every single person deserves a thanks. The community helpers, the security guards, they are playing with their lives, right? They come in contact with so many people. They are still there standing and guarding our society. Have we thanked them yet? No. It's high time we start thinking charity begins from home, correct? Similarly, these things, this attitude of gratitude, this kindness, it also begins from home. We have to take the responsibility of spreading this positivity. I thank you all for watching this video and also helping me spread this positivity. Thank you once again, guys. And I thank God that I am in a position to do this. Thank you.